lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
What's going on, guys? Back again, another vlog. We are going on a trip today from the parish of St. Michael, St. Malachy, on a boat. So yeah, I was just playing around, we're joking. But yeah, walk with us through the day as we have some fun out on the sea. Mermaid man and barnacle boy.
A few moments later.
Y'all ready? No. Everybody. Come on, Sean, get in there.
I like doing push-up for days.
You gotta do 5, okay?
I'm not good at it though.
5.
Man,
Come on, somebody.
You only gotta do 5?
No, you're 25.
25.
25. 25. 25.
I'm not putting my hand on
Y'all ready? Come on. Everybody ready? Y'all. Set, go.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11.
Sean, what is that, Sean? Sean. You got one knee on the floor.
Yeah. Bro, I'm already done.
I hope you guys are cheating on that.
Bro, you really was cheating.
Check it, that was 25.
Gang. In the van we go again. If you wanted to come with us again, it is okay. Hello, children. How are you doing, children? Hello.
She's dead.
Young Hydro.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so we are here at the boat dock. It took me a while to find everything. So I'm walking back to the van to get everybody out the van with Vanessa, and we will make our way. Of course.
Christian hitting Sean in the head with his chancla.
And Christian is the only one that forgot his hat. In the car.
You're not representing.
All right. It's all good. See what's up, Sarah.
Of course, you want me to get in the worst moment.
Guess they don't like Latinos around here. Yeah.
Guys, move over. There's a car coming.
So, okay, let's restate the argument for the world. What is the argument?
Chancletas are the most sacred and holy shoe of all time.
And then your rebuttal?
No, I don't know.
They're not the same.
I don't know
They
what's
wore
going on.
sandals, bro, not chancletas.
What chancletas became?
They're the same family, but like, it's the same
And sandals
family.
are the same thing.
It's the
Chanclas
same family.
chanclas are sandals.
But it is the same family. That means that they're related.
If you think chanclas or slides are more holy than any other shoe, leave a comment below. And so, okay, in this argument, where do the Crocs fall in this conversation? Is the
Ugly
question.
and they're unrelated.
They're close to right?
But they're not ugly because you could put good charms on them and everything. They're not ugly.
A few inches later.
Okay. So all of this behind you is in the Bronx, but this is specifically on Throgs Neck, right here. And that's the Throgs Neck Bridge.
Watch your step.
Yeah, be careful over there, guys.
Buildings you guys see over there, that's Corp City.
Oh, yeah.
But that's in the Bronx.
You'll fall into the water. You'll be fine.
You are the nicest one of all of us kids.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, right.
front of us, all those boats on that island is City Island, which is part of the Bronx, but it's surrounded by water all by itself. Okay. So
Yeah.
we're gonna come out through here, and we're gonna go to as close as we can to the Long Island Sound. So we're gonna be like in the Long Island neighborhood, more or less.
Cool.
All right. Just one second.
So I believe the seagull could be in Christian's TikToks.
Yo.
And welcome to the Bronx.
The police department's shooting range.
Oh, that's the police department. Okay, so it's protection from the people that y'all worried about.
Sure. Bro, I know in GTA that I have that gun in GTA.
It's not real. It's just
So put it on now, and then I'll throw you over.
What? About this?
What was that?
I have a
Down
question
there?
about the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it down there.
When you're driving,
Navigating. Yeah. Because it's different. A car you drive and a boat you navigate.
Meanwhile.
They in a chill spot.
Oh, and I'm sorry I forgot to.
You're fine. Don't worry about it. You don't worry about it.
That's good, mommy?
Hey, what's good, y'all? Y'all down? I know, I got you.
Let me drive.
You guys is all chilling.
The charger down there, bro. There's a whole bed and everything.
I got a TV down there.
TV, everything.
Bro, I'm gonna be watching.
so go see mommy.
That is normal.
Do a whole stream from the boat.
Boat thing.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
We ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, ready to go. Everybody go grab a seat.
If you can take a seat before no.
That's why I'm gonna
Quadruple spaceship.
You're not sending Jesus bird. They really wilding on this chicken though.
I don't know if they're humans or other species.
God's saying, oh, this chicken is good. Okay, you got it. Popeyes is good too.
Spaceship.
This is gonna be
I
goddamn.
can't say that the chicken was good.
Well,
That's
there's
what
two
I
pieces
said.
left. And you guys wanna, I don't know, choose for it, whatever. But there's two pieces
Nah,
left.
it's not a problem y'all like it. I'm just saying like how y'all like, oh, this chicken is
Popeye's
gross.
chicken is not better than
Popeyes.
that chicken.
Okay, no, you went too far this time.
It don't matter, bro.
Comment below.
Is it?
What do y'all think is the best fried chicken? Who got the best fried chicken?
Bro, Xbox, that's what makes Xbox better.
And the other one?
That's the alternative.
Tell you.
If you can't bring your PS4,
You guys know you're not the new spot.
better. The app more professional. It's different.
There you go. Now left, all the way.
Trying to tip us over, man. What you guys think about Josh's driving so far?
Oh, he's bugging.
Alright.
Hold on!
You gotta pull the Mario Kart?
Oh, nah. Yeah, I got you. All right, you guys, y'all gonna grab a pic?
10 seconds later.
Of course, Christian came to lay out on the bed, chilling, sunbathing, kind of.
Kind of, a little bit. A little bit.
Josh is here now. Yeah. I know, I'm making sure I lean up. Now the question is, Vanessa, are you gonna navigate?
No, I was asking.
Alright, I'll navigate.
How can I do it?
Oh, yeah.
Christian is trying to GTA us.
Yeah.
Probably better. Bro, there's a boom.
You know what I'm saying?
Just a little bit more.
I don't want to get that boat sucked on it.
We out here. We on the front of the boat.
Yes, sir. I'm wearing chancletas,
Not a good idea.
by the way. It's God's holy shoe.
Well, technically,
Bro, shut up, bro. Like,
with the holy shoe. I mean, technically, Peter was a fisherman. He probably was wearing chanclas too. You know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
exactly.
No, you're probably wearing boots so you don't get your feet wet.
No,
dumb
but
dumb.
because back then boots were not invented, so he had to wear these type of shoes. Yeah,
like,
but you were
you
asking
heard
the
that she wasn't
question,
asking.
and I
you, bro.
confirmed the question.
You heard that she
too.
wasn't asking, bro.
sun is going down. We're about to pull back into the dock. Loading back into the dock.
Let me get that one.
All right, we're back. We're about to get in the van, drive back to Brooklyn, and we did it.
Later.
Guess who's back? Back again. Yeah, you guys will get back there. Guys are jumping out the van. Top highlights from the trip.
Nice. Me pulling a 360 on the boat.
And she getting scared.
I wasn't scared. It's just my when I went on my boat, I was a baby, so I don't know.
Malachi, highlights. Highlights of the trip.
Hey.
My highlights of the trip was pretty good. It was kind of scary at first, but then it was super fun when we got stuck.
I like the part where everything was super fast and we did 360s. That one was fun. I'm gonna go to the bodega now.
And I'm surprised they didn't say the chicken was a highlight.
I'm telling you, that's
They devoured the chicken. Oh my god.